So if you're using the Xiaomi C700 smart camera and you want it to record only when something moves, this video will show you how to enable motion detection. So let's open the Xiaomi Mi Home app, go to the live feed, and then just tap on these three dots. Now, if you're using an updated Xiaomi Home app, just go to Home Surveillance Settings from there, and then tap on Event Notification Type. And here you will find all the settings related to motion detection. First of all, let's toggle on Motion Detected button. And along with that, if you want to turn on, motion detection for push when movement detected, for pet detection, baby cries, etc., you can just turn all of them on according to your own preference. So when there is a motion in front of your camera, it'll detect it and you'll either get notified on your device, or if you just open the app and tap on this notification icon, you'll see a list of all the motion detection notification in here. And that's all. Thanks for watching.